Hello there. I'm Freddy Krueger. And today we will be reacting to is Juan versus Death, the Grim Reaper by David Lopez. And today we will be reacting to this video called Juan versus Death, the Grim Reaper, aka by David Lopez. Anyways, Silver, are you ready to react to this? Oh, I'm sure to get ready to be reacting to this. Oh, definitely ready to be excited for this. All right, Silver, you ready? Oh yes, I'm ready. Let's react to this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the original person, the original creator, and support the original video who made the amazing good video called Jill. Sorry if I can't pronounce the other guy's name. Also versus Death, the Grim Reaper. Anyways, I'm Freddy Krueger, and let's react to this. Well, here we go. Oh, it is me. Hey, don't call me that.
I have sent everyone I know for revenge.
What? Pinhead.
All to no avail.
That's me. Hey, how's my buddy Jason?
But this time, you have failed yourself. You dug a hole you can
Wow, this is pretty good. Interesting here.
What?
Oh.
Death is knocking.
Nice.
What was that? Oh, I need to stop eating pan dulce right before bed. Don't come in, I'm naked.
What?
Just kidding. Who's there?
Oh. Who sleeps like that in bed for a gardening shirt? I don't know, but it seems pretty bit funny. Ow. A bit funny. Why do you even call me Cocoa Puffs?
No.
Are you looking for Josh? Because
Really?
you got the wrong address. Is that why he's still alive?
You are
What?
coming with me, and there is nothing you can say.
Hello, Grim Reaper.
Okay,
What?
okay, let's go.
You're not going to fight it.
Why would I? There's literally nothing else to do right now. I am bored out of my mind.
Okay. Aren't you gonna ask where we're going?
I'm seriously so down for anything right now.
I still have to let you know that you are going on a journey with me.
Nice! I'm stoked. Let's go.
Let me finish.
I hope the journey isn't as boring as you explaining it right now.
Wow, okay.
Really?
Anyway,
Let him explain.
you are going on a journey with me, in which I will show you everything wrong you've ever done.
Like on the Christmas Carol with Mr. Scrooge?
Yes, like on the Christmas Carol with Mr. Scrooge.
Well,
Well, that's a movie. This is real life.
that's debatable.
It's literally not debatable.
Maybe. Maybe not.
No, not maybe. This
Really?
more difficult than it has to be.
Why are you laughing at this? He called you Cocoa Puffs.
I already know that.
I already hated how he said Cocoa Puffs at me.
You're redundant.
Okay.
Good one.
Enough talk. We are going now.
Wait, where's your mask?
My mask.
Yeah, you can't go outside without a mask. You
What?
People should know this.
I don't need a mask.
Oh, you better wear one or you'll
What?
be canceled.
What?
Get canceled. Dad.
Why?
I'm surprised when people can cancel nowadays.
I'm not wearing a mask.
Oh, do you know what?
He's
I
deaf.
have an extra one right
What
here.
is wrong with you?
I'm not putting that on.
Okay, you know
Don't
what?
let him put him on you.
Look,
Stop
let me
it.
put it on.
I'm not putting that
Hey,
on.
come on. Put it on. Come on. Let me help you.
Stop it.
Hey,
Really?
put this on. Relax, bro. Come
This is
on.
why I'm not laughing about
I'm
that.
done.
Oh, it was a pretty bit funny for me.
With me.
What? Come on. That's messed up. What's about our journey together? All this chit chat about journey and you don't even want to go anymore?
You should have listened to him anyway.
Freddy? Are you still there?
Yes.
Just go home, Freddy. It's never gonna happen.
What?
I hate you, Juan.
Peace out, stupid.
Yeah, I already hate him anyway. But not the creator who made the video, though. Anyway, see you later.